Alright, here's another fun day, Christmas Eve. Get the right day. So, as usual, I'm working. I was thinking about doing something for Christmas besides sitting on my butt, sleeping. That's always fun. Tired all the time anyway. So, what I was thinking about doing was, seeing on my live question and answer program isn't working yet because I haven't figured out how to do it. And having enough help yet. So anyway, what I was thinking about doing is I got this nice crappy old computer over here. You might have seen it before. So what I was thinking about doing is if you leave a comment to any of my videos, I will see it over here. And we can do a show. Not quite live, but if you post it, it will show up pretty quickly. If I hit the update button. I have to hit the update though. I might be a little slow. But anyway, I respond to comments anyway. But I figure we can go over comments. Turn the light off and help. And I just get all these comments in from different people. And some are smart asses, some aren't. I know I am all the time. But anyway, we can go through these and you know, you got any questions, need some help, whatever. We can go over it. So we'll do a little, I don't know, half hour, whatever, show on it. So just go to any video, and wherever the hell it says make a comment, I'll see it. These guys figured it out. So, I don't know how you do that. See, even Jimmy Johnson there says I'm fast. Wonder what Jimmy Johnson that was. If it's a NASCAR guy, great. If it's a football guy, I don't give a squat. So, anyway, like I said, go ahead and leave the comments. We'll go through these things and we'll do a little show on it. So anyway, I get a lot of different ones in here. So I reply a lot. These ones I have not replied back to because most of them don't need a reply back. Some do. And no, I do not like being called a saint or a savior or any other like stuff. So whatever, you can leave that part out. But anyway, like I said, if you need some help doing something, like these guys here have questions or comments or whatever, like I said, just go in there and do it. And we'll do something. So that ought to be a good little program, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm getting bored. I was told my honing videos and porting videos suck and they're tired of watching those. That's what I do around here, work on motors. So that requires a lot of work. So I don't know. How many times will we see me rebuild a set of heads? To me, they're all different, but not everybody. So anyway, that was where I was at. So like I said, if you got any questions like that or stuff, whatever, we'll go over it and figure it out. So that'll be something to play with tomorrow. So, or whenever, when I get up. That'll be late in the day, in case you're wondering when I get up. It's always late when I'm working. Clock over there, is it accurate? Might be. I don't know. Alright, I'm back. I broke something. Yeah, it didn't take me long. So, anyway, someone left a comment recently. There it is. So, some genius, otherwise known as a moron, or a dumbass. Something about ATF works good, too. I have no idea what ATF works good for. So, when you leave a comment, I don't always know what you're talking about. Because right now we're talking about my crappy FXR right here. So if you go there and watch that video, this comment might mean something to you. But I'm not going to go back and watch the video, so if you're going to leave a comment, make it so I can actually maybe understand what you're talking about. So it works good too. People say ATF in the primary works good on a Harley. I like gear oil. Preferably Maxima. Over there, Bluetooth. Yeah, that one there I like. Right there, that's a good one. And also up there, Tribonite. I like those. Yep, those are good ones. I don't know what else he's talking about. Oh well, we don't care. So if you're going to leave a comment, leave one that people can understand. Not just you. That's hard to do at times. Okay, I want to go to the video, so being my computer doesn't work worth a squat, I go find a video. So if you put in WLA burnout, or just burn, it always goes to videos. Never fails. So look at that. There's some dumbass on a Harley doing a burnout. That could possibly be me. Never know. So once you get through this stupid ad that I don't get much money for, but it's helpful, it pays for the videos around here. Okay, as soon as something starts playing, see that little logo right there? Click on that, and it goes right to my channel. Whenever the internet says to go to the channel. There you go. It's working on it. It's thinking about it. Of course, the video's playing again. You can go like that and it'll stop. Alright, so now somewhere in here, if you play a video, it'll do something. Now these playlists over here are really fun to find stuff on. So if you go to the playlist and click on it, here's my building my property. It will play in order over here. You can click on this or it'll automatically go to the next video when you go right to the end. Boom. And when that video runs out, through that stupid ad, this is number 101 in case you didn't know. Boom, it goes to the second one, see 102. And if you want to skip ahead, you can go over here and skip ahead. 104 is the last video. So there you go. That's how that works. There's the property we're working on. Not that one, you dumbass. That one right there, that's called a helper. He's helping me destroy property. So anyway, that's going to be our new Tatro Machine West Coast headquarters for some kind of a school thing. Not sure exactly how that's going to work yet. Work in progress. 3 to 5 year plan. Unless I get more donations and money, and then I'll move ahead quicker. Otherwise, I'll pay it to my own hard work like I always do. Oh, I'm supposed to comment about doing stuff like that. Yeah, if you want to give money, go down here and you go Patreon. You can donate to PayPal. You can buy hoods and hoodies and whatever you want to do. Anyway, whatever you send me, I put it toward that. Anyway, that's how that all works. Now, somewhere in here, you're supposed to be able to leave a comment. And I don't know how to leave a comment because I've never left one before because I am worthless. Okay, here's a bunch of commenters. There you go. Now, if you leave a comment, if you click on that, it might leave a comment. I don't know how this works because it knows who I am and it does things differently. Probably if you click on comments, it'll work something. Oh, there it is. Probably if you hit that add public comment, that probably would do it. Oh, look at that. It almost did something. There you go. I am a dumbass. Yeah, I'm spelling it right too. Enter. Comment. See, I'm figuring this out as we go. I've never done this before. Okay, now if you go back to Tatro Machine website. Nope, that's the shirt chart. That's more shirts. Channel. There we get the right part. And hit comments. Hit refresh. It's very quick. I have gigabyte speed here. Can you tell? Oh, it didn't leave the comment yet. So it takes a while for comments to show up, I guess. Or I did it wrong. Which one do you think it is? I did it wrong? Or am I just a dumbass? Ah, it's not coming up. Oh well, work in progress. Let's see, this was the website over here. This is what I see. You don't see this. This is my inventory control feature. There's what you see. So if you go in here and hit Tatro Machine Apparel, like up here, unless you want oil. If you want oil, you go to oil. That shirt's down there. It doesn't go very fast, does it? Well, you gotta hit what kind of oil you want. I want transmission oil. Boom, tranny oil pops up. Look at that. It does work. I want apparel. What kind of apparel do you want? You want long shirts, short shirts, balls, caps, and beanies. Oh, but do you want beanies? They're going to cost me a lot of money to make me beanies. It costs much as a ball cap for some reason. I'm going to get one for me. I don't know if anybody else wants one. Hoodies. There you go. We'll get some hoodies. There you go, hoodies. You want a hoodie because it's cold out? This one's a 10 ounce. This one's a 6.5 ounce. That means this one keeps you warmer. This has a zipper. This doesn't. Yeah, I just got a bunch of those in. We'll be that in a minute. So anyway, you go in here and you got more junk. Anyway, you can go in here and buy stuff or whatever you want, if you want it. If you don't do it. This is the old logo. I'm working on a new logo. New logo is going to have this on the back over there. Oop, if I don't highlight it. All right, so there you go. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to go into my channel. I'm going to look in my comment section over here, and we'll turn the camera on, and we'll waste some time, and we'll see how many dumbasses leave answers. Damn, it still doesn't come up. I guess YouTube takes a while to update their messages, or I did something wrong. Probably did something wrong. I don't know. Pretty stupid. I know a way of getting into a different message. Let's go over here and check this. If you go to playlist, and you go up here in the top corner after you click on some stupid playlist, up in here it'll tell me if there's any new messages to listen to, or not listen to, watch. I don't have sound on this computer. I got 9+ new messages. Look at that. Look at that. No dumbass comment. See, my comment still did not make it through yet. But this guy's did, and this guy did. Let's see, this guy works on stuff for 28 years on a shovel head. They need a lot of work. And he's amazed at how details I still don't know. He's still learning. That means you are breathing. It's always good to learn something every day. That means your brain don't go dead and you live longer. They don't tell you that in school, do they? That means if your hands look like this and you work for a living, you'll probably live longer. And if you sit on your butt and watch TV all day, you'll be thinner too. All right, there you go. So this still has not left me a comment yet that I like. How do I get back to my comments? I got too many channels opened up. Comments. Let's see if we get a new one yet. Last chance. Still not there. Oh well. Maybe someone leave me a comment how I don't know how to use my computer. You know, that is very, very true. That would not be a false statement at all. All right, there you go. So tomorrow we'll try that over there. Maybe we'll get some fun. I don't know. Maybe you don't like it. Leave a comment. You like it, don't like it? I don't care either way, but we'll play with it. Hopefully it's not a bunch of dumbass questions, just important ones would be nice. You know, how to do something important, like maybe work on your bike. Not how it's cold out, or hot, or wet, or snowy. Or did Christmas come down your chimney last night? That'd be a good comment. All right, we'll be back.